Oh, jeepers, what did that do? Okay. Hey, kia ora. I'm Brahms here, coming to you live from Sun City in Arizona. Sorry, technical difficulties with the iPhone. It was supposed to work and it didn't. Now it's sitting over the other side broadcasting everything and I can't get it to shut up. But anyway, we're here. I'm sitting here with this big box. Let's see if I can get you to sit there. Okay, so what's happened is that Mailbox Power last week, let me put this back up here for a second. Mailbox Power last week released their brand new premium packaging. And they have this large box, which is like 15 by 15 by 6 inches. And so, hey, sweetie girl. And so I ordered one and decided to see how much stuff I could fit into one. So we're going to unbox this thing right here, right now, so you guys can see just how much is in here. So I'm not sure if this is actually going to work with the laptop. I had the phone all set up, right angle and everything. Okay, so I've got my, what's this thing? The Clever Cutter. These things are really cool. You can't, it's designed for opening boxes. It's got razor blades in there. And it's very safe, so you can't cut yourself. But the cool part is that it makes opening a box really quick, easy, and safe. So if you use like the scissors and everything, okay, not sure how I'm gonna, oh my gosh. All right, I should have got a trash bag ready. Here's what's in here. This is their premium shred. It's this gorgeous royal blue color. All right, I'm going to have a mess to clean up later. That's okay. So we'll take all that off. And here's the box. Oh, crap. I didn't think about getting the box out of here, did I? Which side's the front? Oh, there's the front. Okay. So I'm just going to put this back here and get this out of here. Because I want to, these are actually really nice boxes. Okay. Oh, this one's weighty, and I know it's weighty. It's got a lot of snacky stuff in it. Okay. So here is the box. The front of the box here with this beautiful bow on it. Like I said, it's a big box. All right. So I'll let you guys see in here what's in here first, because I know what's in here because I ordered it, but oh, it snaps. So okay, so this is, all right, let's see what's in here. So in here, we have a lot of stuff. So there's a card in here. Now some of these that are personalized, like this one, and Hunter, the brownies came out fine. It's got my name on it because I sent it to myself. So these are merge fields on here. You can actually personalize stuff for people's names and things. But let's go in here and see what we've got. We've got, and these are all new snack stuff items as well. So we've got salted sesame sticks. I love these things. Let's see. We've got brownies and brownies. And another brownie. And there's the fourth one. There's 4 brownies. All right. Then we've got these mega cookies. These mega cookies you can now put labels on as well. All of the stuff in this box, you can actually put personalized labels on. So there's 5 different, oops. Okay, we have a casualty. That's okay. It's a cinnamon sugar cookie. We've got milk, so there was cinnamon sugar cookie. We've got milk chocolate chunk, raisin oatmeal, and white chunk macadamia. And then we have in here roasted salted almonds. Again, you can put personalized labels on the back of all of these. I'm saving that one to last. Swedish fish. Those that like pick up the sweet tooth. Let's see. Oh, mango strips. Yum. Look at those. There's quite a lot in here. Turkish apricots. Yum. So there's some good healthy snacks coming out of here. Mountain Defiance Trail Mix. So it's got like sunflower seeds in there. It's got almonds, yogurt covered something, chocolate covered somethings. either raisins or craisins in there. There might be raisins. It looks like dried pineapple and banana. Yeah, I'd read the label, but it's in really, really tiny writing. I don't have my magnifying glass with me. I'm saving that one to last. What else have we got here? Oh, gummy sour mix. Now, these are supposed to have like all sorts of little gummy treats, different types of gummy treats in here that are sour. I don't think I've ever tried sour gummy treats. Cinnamon bears. Do you like cinnamon bears? We have them too. And like I said, all of these can have personalized labels stuck to them as well. Unsweetened apples. Yum. Oh, cheapers. Let's see, what are these? Chocolate covered pretzels. Yum. You know, me and chocolate. Oh, this is really cool because it's so hot right now. They're shipping chocolate stuff with these little ice bags. So these are mint chocolate truffles, and you can see the personalized label on there. Then we have crazy rice crackers. So if you like rice crackers, they got them. And this is one of my favorites. Again, the little cold bag there. Drops of sunshine. They're actually lemon almond, and they are really, really yummy. And then I'm saving the last two till last. They've got licorice caramels. Yum. Brad never liked licorice, so I was safe with things like licorice caramels. And then one of my favorites, dark chocolate espresso beans. So that's all that came in the box. It's all the new snack foods and, of course, the card. Want to see what the card looks like? Okay. So this is one of the cards here, and you can personalize everybody's name on here. And you can send out like 1,000 of these cards, and it will put everybody's individual name on here, which is really cool. I love merge fields. And then it's just got a nice purple inside, and then just a little thingy on the back there. So that's what came in the box, and this is like I said, a 15 by 15 by 6 inch high box, and that was actually pretty cool. And it's got a little magnetic closure, so you can use the box later on for other stuff. So it's one of those sort of like keepsake boxes. I know where this is going to start living, and I already have an idea of what I'm going to put in here. So as you know, there's my stash. That came out of this box. But no, I am not going to be eating all of those. I can tell you right here, right now, I'm not going to be eating all of those. I'm just keeping like a couple of things. And I've got lots of new neighbors and friends. I'm just going to put them all back in the box and walk around and go, hey, help yourself to a snack. Somebody wants to see the spiders. Oh, that was the gummy, the sour things. Hang on. Where I put the sour thing? Oh, okay. Let's see if I can see. Somebody said they want to see the spiders. Well, I guess that's one of the spiders, like right there. This little thing here with the green and the red. I guess that's the spider. But as you can see, there's a lot of stuff. There's actually 23 food items in here, which is actually quite a lot of stuff. And the box did weigh a lot. But they've got all this beautiful shred, all this navy blue shred, which I'm going to spend probably the rest of the evening cleaning up. But I just wanted to share that, guys, with you. The new box, some of the new snacks that they have, they can all, I didn't want to wait. I didn't want to sit down and make labels for all of them. So I just got them without the labels. But you can put personalized labels on all of these snack bags, which is really cool. So great idea for gifts. What will fit in here? I think just about any of the gifts we have in here will fit in one of the boxes that they have, except the barbecue toolkit, because it's too long. Which makes me wonder, the wine thingy must fit in here too. Ooh, that just gave me an idea. But this is the largest size that they have, and then there's a small size, and then there's a 5 by 5 one, 5 by 5 by 5, which fits a mug in there. So anyway, that's our new premium. Hang on, I'm going to put this here so we can do this. It's our new premium box, as you can see, and they had that nice royal blue shred in there. They had the ribbon closure on here, which was really nice to be able to unwrap that. So, and then there's the loot. I tried to put it up neatly. I did. I couldn't see what I was doing, though. So the brownies turned out came through really well. They were worried about. I had a call from the guys as they were doing all this on Monday, and they said they were worried about the brownies. But the only casualty was the cinnamon sugar cookie. That's the one that got crushed. But everything else came out looking really good. But imagine this for the presentation, and we've got things like the big bamboo square bowl, which is 13 by 13 across. It's a square, so 13 by 13. That will fit in here as well, and you can put some snacks and goodies into the bowl and put a card on top, and just imagine what that would be like to open, for a client to open that for you. So you could use it for VIPs, VIP clients, all sorts of, there's a ton of marketing stuff. You know, you've got the holidays coming up, so start thinking about that. But anyway, that is my my PSA, personal service announcement for the week, for the month, I guess. If you want to know more about this stuff, just let me know. Just private message me, and Zeffie will not play with the blue shred. She sniffs at the shred when it comes out of the boxes, and just walks away. She doesn't chomp on it, which is really good. And 15 by 15 will hold scrapbook paper, ideas. Yes, the 15 by 15 will definitely hold some scrapbooks in there as well. But yeah, so that was my fun thing. I've been waiting all day. I'd had a hankering for some of the stuff that was in there. I'm so like, no, I'm not going to eat it. I was so tempted, but you guys, because I promised you guys I was going to unbox on the live, I was sort of like, yeah, that was my thing. That was sort of like, stay away. Like I said, most of this is going to be going to neighbors. I'm going to put it back in the box and walk around and offer it to some of the neighbors and everything that we have in here that we've become friends with. So, yeah, I'm not eating all of this myself. There is absolutely no, that is just way too much sugar for me. But if it has chocolate in it, it's going in my freezer. Anyway, that's it from me for today. Have a super fantastic, sparkling, fun Friday. And we will catch up with you guys bright and early tomorrow morning for Shake It Up Saturday. Hei konera.